ba minister abarimo w'enshonga za Bunyoro Jennifer na Muyangu Kacha hamwe no w'enshonga z'abakozi Mary Grace Mugasha hamwe n'abakuru ku rwo banka ya government ya Uganda Development Bank barambura ikorero rya shukari erya John Magara erya Bwendero Sugar Factory omu cyaro cya Bwendero omu district ya Hoima. Joshua Mwesiga owajwekera mukuru wa Uganda Development Bank na Agacencwire banka babasizo kugarura by'entasa by'ihanga ubwo barukuhereze senta barukoramo ebintu ebirukuhereza abandi mirimo.
94 billion will go to 249 projects, 180 of which are engaged again in agriculture and manufacturing. From those approvals, we shall create 35,372 new jobs in this economy.
Mwesiga nagira ngo sente z government yabahiro kora abantu zeyongiro bicweka 5 okurugari biliyoni 851 omukwezi ku 12 omwaka gwa 2021 okwikari biliyoni 1298 omukwezi ku 12 omwaka gwa 2022.
Last year we disbursed into this economy 778 billion shillings. That's a growth of 81% because the year before we had disbursed 428 billion. And again, 76% of this disbursement went into supporting enterprises engaged in industry and agriculture.
In Uganda and in Africa generally, when people start enterprises, those enterprises die with them. But you've heard John telling us, Bwendero dairy farmer was started by his father in the 60s, but it has kept going on.
John Magara mukama wa Bwendero Dairy Farm kandi oganyirwemu yasima government abwentebenkanisage.
BDF purchased from our farmers a total of 86,974 tons of sugar cane, paying them approximately 8.697 billion.
UDP, thank you for coming. What we want is an office in Bunyoro here. We don't want separate offices. This is the regional headquarter. The headquarter of the oil region.
Gashakwa nuwagaba Ambrose Katoto omuri Hoima.